In this quick video, this is part 1 of 3 for fasting for weight loss. Here, I'm going to give you the first steps to introduce yourself to fasting in a much more positive way. Welcome back to the Morris Method Health and Performance channel. My name's Nathan and I'm a coach where we help regular, busy people improve both health and endurance performance. Now don't forget to hit subscribe for me and show us a little bit of love for our weekly content on where we help you improve both endurance performance and your health at exactly the same time. Okay, firstly, what is fasting? Super simple, right? It's just a period of time that you aren't eating. Second point we want to get off is, why do we want to be fasting? So let's rattle off a couple of lists here. Improve metabolic flexibility, great tool for weight loss, can reduce insulin resistance and lowering your risk of type 2 diabetes, reduce inflammation, and for my endurance training followers, more glycogen efficient, which is absolutely critical when we're talking about long form training. Look, to be honest, the list continues, but let's stop there. You get the point. So what we are aiming to do with fasting for weight loss is to get your body in a high state of fat burning, where the weight loss becomes even easier. Reduce hunger, reduce cravings, reduce need to eat at a specific window, just having that experience of sustained energy throughout the day. But I'm gonna be honest, if you fail to make these changes over the next 3 videos, your experience with fasting is gonna be seriously negative. This first tip, and that is going to be to not fast. I get it, right? You've clicked the link on a fasting video and the guy telling you at the very beginning in video 1 is to not fast. Now, why I ask you to not fast straight out of the gate? I want to make sure that one, the fasting that you are doing is actually going to allow you to consistently do it and get the results from it, but also you just don't hate it. First point is going to be significantly reduce or eliminate your refined carbohydrates and seed oils. So in essence, if you're on the SAD diet, standard American diet or standard Australian diet, basically get rid of the packet and junk food. You're gonna wanna be doing this for 14 days. Depending on your body, over this 14-day period, you may actually find that you get a bit of a lull before you end up getting an energy lift or an energy sustainability side of things. If you're a numbers person, I would probably sit between a carbohydrate level of 20 grams to 50 grams. Now that can change drastically depending on the person, depending on the age of the person, depending on what their current diet looks like, but then also what your physical activity is actually looking like, and that's where we go over in part 2. So in essence, we are initially wanting to change what fuel your body is going to be looking for on a dietary energy source, rather than what source of fuel that your body's going to go for through the body. We want to get rid of the refined carbohydrates and the seed oils so that you can have a better ability to burn fat. This 14-day interchange period where you become more metabolically flexible, where you burn more fat efficiently, is seriously important if you want to have success with your fasting down the track. Swap out the packet foods for something as simple as green veg and meat, and do that for 14 days and you're gonna find your hunger cues are gonna go down, your satiety is going to go up, cravings will go down. That gives you the very basic structure around the focuses around tip number 1. And then part 2 is going to go over your window of eating. How long should you fast for? What are my recommendations around that? What exercise should you be including or not including? And then part 3 video is any supplementations or supplements that I would recommend along the way while you're fasting. Alright guys, don't forget to hit like on this video. Give me some love. Otherwise guys, I'll see you on here next time. Bye.